Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 30th of the August Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and all that other good stuff, as long as it loads. Okay, range addition 2. So I usually start these live, so watch it at the speed that it is comfortable for you. Okay, so you give an n by n, return and count the number of maximum integers in the matrix after performing all the operations. Okay. Let's see, M and N could be pretty big. Operations can also be pretty long. Okay. I mean, I feel like this is just like the one that we have done recently. Yeah. I'm a little oh wait, what is, maybe I misunderstood something. Okay, option B, you go for all 0. Yeah, Number of maximal integers. I guess the other one is an it's a little bit awkward. It could be an intersection and could be the other thing. Because I think the problem that we did maybe last week or a couple of weeks ago, that one you kind of get the union of stuff, right? Because it's just Boolean. But here you almost kind of want an I was going to say you want an intersection almost, except for the cases where, for example, you have two squares or something like that that don't intersect with each other. Then in that case, you actually want the sum of those two. But and a key thing to know here is that you always start at the corner. And because if you always start at the corner, there's no way. So every intersection has to be every intersection has to be done at that corner, and therefore it makes this problem a lot easier because now you're just taking the min of the x's and y's, and you could draw this. I mean, this is my intuition, and this is maybe just for years of experience, to be honest. But I think if you draw it out, you can see that every time. So you start with basically everything filled, and every time you draw one, and because it has to be only from the corner, you basically chop it off, right? And you always take the min or max of the x and y's. And I think as soon as you realize that, then you just realize that this is just a for loop. So yeah. So basically you then have, and you could even do, just append m and n into the thing, and then now you want min of yeah. I guess there's no really good way of writing this. Is there? And yeah, because I wanted to write something like, I'll write it out. I suppose min x and min y is equal to, I guess, mn, doesn't really matter. And then now for x, y in ops, you could do it in one liner, but then you end up doing 2 iterations, so it's a little bit weird. At least the way that I was writing about it. If you're a Python master, let me know how you would do it. But yeah, mx my is equal to min of mx m. Oops, this is no, min of myy, and then just return mx times ny at the end. This actually started out very hard, but then maybe not so much. I wish they make these copy pasteable. Oops. Wait, there are no commas. Oops. So yeah, so okay, so then now I think I'm okay with submitting. There are no overflows, that's what I'm just double checking. So yeah, Let's give it a spin. Huh. Okay. Yeah. So the key observation with this one is to notice the corner thing, and then kind of just thinking about each one slices it because you're forced to take it from the corner. Huh. That's cute. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I'm trying to think about what is a good way to think about it. Like, what is my intuition here? And to be honest, and my intuition is just from a lot of experience. I don't know if I could explain it for this particular problem, but the observation is about that you start at the corner. And I think maybe the easier way to think about it is thinking about one dimensional first. And for these kind of rangy things, it doesn't always generalize, but in this case, there is this thing where both dimensions are independent. It's not, like I said, not every problem is going to have the x and the y's being independent. But if you think about it that way, then, or at least you give yourself a chance to think about it that way, like, are they independent and what would they look like? Well, in that case, then you look at it in a 1D kind of way. And in one dimension, you know, if you could draw boxes from, or yeah, in this case, yeah, if you could draw boxes from like 5x1 and then 4x1 and then 3x1, well, what has the maximum, what do they call it, maximum integers, right? I mean, like I said, it doesn't always generalize in higher dimension, but these are things that I would look for in patterns to think about it. And in my case, I would think about, well, what about 2 times 5 and how would that work out? And that's how it may be extended that way. Yeah, and you can clearly see that this is linear time and constant space. I actually don't think I need it here, but I thought I was going to write it another way. You could write it this way if you wrote something like, and I was thinking about something like return min of x for x do in ops times min of y for do y in ops. But I thought it looked awkward to have two for loops, but I don't know. But this would make it easy. This would make this possible. But I guess technically I don't need it now because that is by default, right? Anyway, so yeah, linear time, constant space. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Hope y'all have a great week. End of the month. We'll start again in a couple of days or, tomorrow, whatever you like. I'll see you later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Bye-bye.